Hello friends, Mandar here, back with another video. Today I'm going to talk about some relaxed guidelines for F1 international students who are in the United States and also for students who are outside of the United States. These guidelines have been published by SEVP because of the COVID situation that we have. So if you are an international student on F1 visa studying in the United States or from outside enrolled in a US university, this video is for you. If you are here for the first time, welcome. My name is Mandar and I make immigration related videos for US and Canada. So if you are interested in all the updates about immigration for US and Canada, please subscribe to my channel. I post many videos every week on these important topics. Now that said, let's jump into the topic for today. On June 4th, SEVP, Student Exchange Visitor Program, they updated the guidelines for F and M students studying in the United States as a result of impact by COVID-19. There are first few things to note. For fall semester 2020, SEVP has not issued any guidelines for universities and colleges, but they will be issuing a guideline soon as they have said that they are working on it. But in the meantime, temporary procedural updates are in place for international students that have gone back to their home country but that are still enrolled in the program and doing full-time studies online. I'll put the link in the description for all the SEVP guidelines. It is pretty exhaustive list and you might want to go through it in detail. In this video, I will be presenting some of the important ones so that you are aware of them. The first one is maintaining the student record. Now the first question is regarding maintaining student record. Now what this question is about is, if you are on F1 visa in the United States, you are expected to be fully enrolled and studying full-time in the university. Now because of the COVID situation, some students have left United States and gone to their home country. Now there is a SEVP rule that says if you are not studying for more than 5 months, your status in the system, SEVP system, will be turned to inactive. But because of the COVID situation, what they are saying now is if you are outside of the United States for 5 months or more, or as long as you are taking full-time active courses online full-time, your status will still remain active in the system. So the 5-month rule will not apply as long as you are studying full-time online from outside of the United States. Now what about the newly arrived students? So if you are a student that has arrived in the United States for studying on F1 and because of this COVID situation you are not able to go to the school, what they are saying is as long as you have contacted the university and change your status to active in SEVP, you should be good. If the university allows the students to take online courses from outside of university but within the US or even from outside of the US, you'll still remain active and you'll still remain in the status. The DSO contact of the university should update your home address to the actual address where you are studying. The next topic is electronic issuance of I-20. In the past, I-20s were physically sent to the address, to the international address where the student resided before joining the university. Now what they are going to do is, with the admission process, they are going to issue electronic I-20s and they are going to send it to you by email address. So if you are a minor, it could be sent to your guardian's or parents' email address, which is very convenient because now you don't have to worry about getting a physical I-20 from the university. What about full course of study requirement and online learning? In this special situation of COVID-19, the full course of study requirement has been waived, as you may not be able to attend the classes in the university and you may choose not to attend online course because you have paid so much fees that you want to be in a classroom to study your course. So in that case, your full-time course requirement can be waived. Now there is a caveat. What if you are not willing to take online courses? What if the university has told you that instead of physical classrooms, all of the courses would be online? Now as an international student, you have paid a lot of fees and you were expecting to attend the actual university in the actual classroom. Now if you are not satisfied with the online arrangement, you can contact the university and ask to be inactivated in SEVP, or you can ask a temporary suspension. Now another question is, can students work for on-campus job but remotely? Because of the COVID-19 situation, if the university has transitioned everything to online, You can still work on-campus job remotely. Another question is, can F1 students do volunteering? Yeah, F1 students can do volunteering, because volunteering, as long as you are not taking a paycheck and as long as you are not providing a physical work that requires somebody to pay you for your services, you could volunteer, as it will not need EAD. I suggest you to read all the guidelines very carefully in the link that I provide in the description of this video. Now what about travel? A lot of people ask, now in this situation, if I travel outside of the country while I am on F1 student visa in the United States, will it impact my re-entry into the US? As long as you are making an attempt to do the full-time coursework online from outside the US, you will be eligible to come back to US. So these were some of the important questions I know a lot of F1 students have while living in the United States, or who have traveled outside to their home country in the middle of their school year. So I hope you find this video informative and hopefully it addressed some of your concerns. If you like this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.